My name is Jonathon Dawes and I'm the member of Welsh Youth Parliament for the Vale of Clwyd and a tennis coach. I'm absolutely delighted to be teaming up with the Welsh Parliament Education team in presenting the Jonathon Dawes Welsh Youth Parliament Member Tennis Challenge. Using my experience as a tennis coach, I have put together a variety of fun-filled tennis activities with a series of adaptations to keep you and the rest of the family active from home. So here is my challenge. I would like you to hit 100 volleys in a row with your partner. Make sure there's no bounce and you don't swing on your volleys. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. The easier adaptation of this challenge can be done inside with or without rackets using a balloon. Here is an easier version using your hands. Here is a slightly trickier version of the challenge now. We're going to be carrying on rallying with the balloon, but we're also going to be kicking this tennis ball along the floor. But I can assure you it's going to be a lot more fun. You ready, Heather?
Yeah.
Thank you and good luck with the challenge.